Ever feel overwhelmed by a pile of Zendesk tickets needing the same sort of update? Perhaps your team has just recovered from a service outage, or maybe your view is filled with tickets asking the same question about holiday opening hours. Instead of updating them one by one, which will take ages, use Zendesk's bulk edit feature to update them all at once. I'll show you how. First, go to your Zendesk view and select the checkbox above all the other tickets in the view. If you need to filter down your tickets first, create a custom view that only you can see to display just the tickets you want to bulk update. This will avoid you making any mistakes and accidentally selecting the wrong tickets. Now, with all the tickets you want to bulk update selected, hit Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now you can update fields like status, assignee, tags, or even add a comment all at once. For example, let's add an internal note to all of these tickets, a tag to show that we bulk updated them, and then let's submit them all together. This is such a powerful feature, so be sure to use it with caution and sense check your actions before you hit the submit button. Stay tuned for more Zendesk tips and tricks next time on Zendesk Unlocked.